What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Guys, welcome back. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. Now, guys, in this video that I'm about to show you is I'm going to show you a video of an outburst by a famous artist, Kelly Price. She's a very famous artist, and everybody know Kelly Price. However, the reason why I want to show you this video is I'm always talking about mental health crisis. Kelly Price says she's been having issue with her sister and witchcraft and all different sort of things. So I want you to watch this video. Look into what she's saying, listen to what she's saying, and then make your own decision. Comment down in the comment section and let me know what you think. If you think Kelly Price is going through a tragedy with the family, or you think Kelly Price is going through a mental breakdown, or you think Kelly Price is just have enough, or what do you think Kelly Price is up against? We don't know, because remember, we are not doctors and we are not saying that she have mental problem. We are just wondering if there is a mental health or something that catch her off guard, or at least is just frustration from her sister. She said that her sister make up all different kind of pages, only fan with her name. She said her sister dressed like her. She said her sister been doing multiple things for over 3 years using her name. If the sister is doing those things, we don't know, I don't know. If the sister is doing those things, well, they have to deal with it on their own. But I want you to just take a good look and a good listen of what she have to say and what she's going through. And then in the comment section, comment and tell me what you think Kelly Price is going through. So guys, let me hear what you have to say in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and remember, check on your friends and family, because mental health crisis is not a joke, and it's on a rise, and it's a very serious situation. Mental health crisis is on a rise. Watch the video.
Let's play. Show up in Atlanta tomorrow if you want to. You clone my phone, you know where I live now? Show up in Atlanta if you want to. That's the type of time I'm on. That's the type of time I'm on. This will be on every blog before I catch my plane in 3 hours. That's the type of time I'm on. I've been keeping my mouth shut because you got little kids, I got grandkids, and I'm somebody's mother. But your daughter's a little hoe. You trained her the right way. 17 years old, came in the house and tried to sleep with my husband. You put witchcraft on me. Yeah, I never loved that man. My sister sent him into me. She a witch and she sing in church every Sunday. She sent him into me. And then played on y'all top and played on mine, saying that I was kidnapping him while she was paying him. He was a handler. I don't put my business in the street. This is a testimony. I'm not playing. You want to play? Show up in the city of Atlanta. You're going to have a problem tomorrow. My gun is registered. God kicking that behind. You ain't got but so long to live. When's your last doctor's appointment? Selling stuff in hotels. You started OnlyFans in my name. This been going on for 3 years. Dating accounts. I want this on every blog in the morning. Show up in Atlanta. Security in my building called me tonight after my concert and told me that I just called them. Show up in Atlanta. That's my city. Try it, and I could come to your city. But been playing on my top since I got sick. That very sister that y'all encouraged while I was missing, paid the person to come in. They've been working witchcraft on me for the last 6 years. The last year has been a deliverance walk for me. I am such a new person. I'm such a new person. I've been in God's face. You know how you expose the devil? You expose the devil. I tried to let you live. You got to be pretty desperate to get to this point. It's been going on for 3 years, and you called my building that I live in Atlanta. Let's talk about it. You already got the address, right? Yeah, it is witchcraft. You was on your way to my concert this week. That's what I heard in prayer this morning. I heard you was gonna die in a car accident trying to drive to Kansas. And you changed your mind, so you figured you'd stop over in Atlanta and wait for me to get home. The only way to expose the enemy is to expose the enemy. I don't bother anybody. I've made my share of mistakes. I hear death in my right ear. Let's play. But I'm not playing because this is not a game for me. This is about my life. But you would know that because you don't have one. You tried to take mine. It wasn't COVID, it was witchcraft, y'all. It wasn't COVID, it was witchcraft. I've been waiting to tell y'all that for so long now. Keeper of the family secrets. Sending witchcraft to my friends. And I may as well say it because y'all sent it to me. I went to go support my friend last night. And you sent witchcraft to her show in Birmingham last night, and she landed in the hospital after her show. You sent witchcraft to my driver. He landed in the hospital after driving for me for over 10 years. I'm not gonna watch the people drop around me that I love. I've been watching it happen. Yes, look at the people that's laughing. You got your minions in here? The way to expose the devil is to expose the devil. So let me just tell you something about Atlanta. I had a good reputation in Atlanta. I don't give a damn what you said. I wasn't the one making babies all over the city, putting our children in danger. Sleeping with my sister and my cousin and everybody else. Nasty. Let's talk. You want to talk? Let's talk. If you were at my concert tonight, you would know I was not a clone. Go find somebody's Instagram in Wichita, live and in person. I'll just Google my name. You in my live, right? I let y'all live. I left you alone. I let the authorities handle it. They've been looking into y'all. You already know it. Then go to sleep. Play the song I wrote about it. You want to hear it? Here it go. Thank you for the download. You hired somebody to come in to try to kill me so you could keep the estate that my grandparents had in a will that I didn't know about. I didn't care about that. I took care of them. And your mother took my name off of everything. I wasn't family. So even though I was cloaked in witchcraft because it was surrounding me, you paid that nigga to come. You told him what to say to me. Y'all had a whole story made up about how he met me at Bishop Gilbert Patterson's church in Memphis when I was doing the play, Why Did I Get Married?